Hi. So I'm sure you have heard of prompt engineering, especially in this day and age with AI everywhere. And I just wanted to simplify the process. Of course, this is a scratch on the surface. Prompt engineering is a much deeper topic, but I just wanted to show you a simple way where you can engineer your prompts with all the principles of prompt engineering without worrying about following those principles every time you need AI to do your work. So what you do here is just say create, go to ChatGPT or any AI of your choice and say create a highly specialized prompt using all principles of prompt engineering to create a social media strategy for 2026 on Instagram for a IT teacher. All right, so what it does, it just creates the whole prompt for you where you don't have to think about the context and the goals, the things that you don't want it to do, the requirements and everything. So this is obviously, prompt engineering is much deeper. I just wanted to show you a tip which will simplify the process, and I hope you can make use of it and increase your knowledge of prompt engineering and how to use AI to your advantage as well. So thanks for watching and follow for more.